Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I am Hifsa and this is Copywriting with Hifsa. Today video is little special because today is my last video in 2025, and let me ask you honestly, are you excited for the new year or feel disappointed thinking that I really didn't do much this year? Most of people feel disappointed, and honestly, most of the year I'm not even excited for the new year either. But this year a little different. I finally created my YouTube channel. I had the courage to do something that I always wanted to do, teaching beginner, helping people, and building something meaningful. And I hope in that 2026, when you will look back and say, I become better because I stay constant. Alright, so let's get started. So today video is about what a copywriter does actually do. Let me clear one confusion that copywriter does much more than just writing. In fact, 50% of copywriter work happen before writing even start. So if you think that copywriting is just writing a fancy English and earning money, so that's not reality. So most of the time copywriters spend on researching the product, the audience, their problem, their desire, their language. Copywriter ask what problem does this solve, and why should someone care, and what's stopping them from buying. Good copy start with understanding, not just writing. And the copywriter daily work also include reading ads, study sales page, and analyzing email. And copywriter don't copy, they study structure, psychology, and flow. So now come to the writing. Copywriter may write sales page, landing page, email, ads, and remember one thing: copywriter has one goal, to make someone to take any kind of action, and every sentence leads to the next sentence. And copywriting is never written once. Copywriter edits, simplify, and improve clarity. And if you are freelance copywriter, your daily work include talking to the clients, understanding the goals, and making revisions. And one more thing, communication matters. And one more thing, lots of people think that copywriting is difficult. That's understandable because selling is not easy. But copywriting is not about creativity or talent. It's about following the proven method. Once you learn how to write high converting landing page, you trust me, you can write any kind of copy. That's why copywriting is learnable. And lot of beginner copywriter made this mistake. You think copywriting is begging, but copywriting is not begging. Begging is emotional, and copywriting is logical. You explain the problem, you show the solution, and communicate the value. Now it's up on people to decide. Good copy should feel natural, not desperate. That's it for today's video. And one important thing that you can learn many skills, even you can be good on many skills, but that will never change your life. When you master on one skill and even one type of copy, that will change your life, trust me. And this is my last video of 2025. We will meet again next year, and my next video answer a big question: can copywriter really earn? And I upload video every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I am committed to stay constant. And remember, take care, keep learning, keep growing, and see you next year.